X2 is pleased to inform the new arrival of the Pirate 1416 PC case. This Micro ATX structured chassis is made out of 0.5 mm SPCC steel, all black coated inside and out, enclosed by 2 tempered glass panels and 1 metal side panel. This new PC gamer case is a great solution for your entry-level gaming system build with more than enough space for the assembly of your powerful hardware. It comes with a total up to 3 3.5-inch SSD drives and 4 rear expansion PCI slots. The Pirate 1416 is equipped with a separated PSU chamber and ample space for those long graphics cards, up to 320 mm length, and large CPU coolers, up to 150 mm height clearance. The case also has more than sufficient air cooling options with 4 120 mm fan mount locations and 192 mm fan mount throughout this chassis. Already included are 2 multi-LED 120 mm red cooling fans, one on the rear and one in the front. The Pirate 1416 offers easy upkeep throughout the whole chassis with nice cable routing and the tool-free removal of the tempered glass panels. It offers convenient placement of audio and USB connections for your plug-and-play gaming peripherals. Standard USB configuration includes one USB 2.0 port and one USB 3.0 port plus support for AC 97/HD audio. Show off your cool components, LED or RGB cooling and water or air coolers through the smoke-tempered glass windows of the Pirate 1416 PC gamer case by X2 Gaming. We believe in exceptional style coupled with genuine product quality, redefining the meaning of affordable gaming, all geared up. Specifications: tempered glass Micro ATX PC case, 0.5 mm SPCC steel chassis, all black coated structure, front panel tempered glass, left side panels tempered glass, separated PSU chamber, 1x USB 2.0 and 1x USB 3.0 plus AC 97/HD audio. Cooling, 2x Red 15 LED fan pre-installed, one in the front and one on the rear. Supports graphic cards up to 320 mm. Supports CPU coolers up to 150 mm. Supports PSU up to 210 mm. Case size, 362x198x420 mm, LXWXH. Packing size, 438x235x433 mm. Unit net weight, 3.35 kilograms. Unit gross weight, 4.50 kilograms. 2 years manufacturer warranty.